Hey everyone, it's Mr. Dewey. Just wanted to go ahead and take a few minutes here and explain the game that we're going to play today through a short little video, okay? So the first thing I'll pass out is your number line, game board. And then you'll also get one of these Tupperware containers. It'll have two dice in it. One will have numbers 1 through 6, and the other one will have positive and negative signs on it. The first thing you want to do when you get that paper is put your name on your paper. Don't forget to put your name on your paper. Okay, so now to play the game. Pretty simple. We're going to start at 0. Just like every trip starts on 0, this game is going to start at 0 also. Okay? You're going to go ahead and shake your dice. I got a plus and a 2. So that means I'm going to start at 0, and I'm going to move 2 to the right. So we'll do this 2 more times. This time I got plus and 6. So I'm going to pick up from 2 and then move 6 more to the right. And then a third time. Oops, what on the edge here. This time I got a 4 and a minus. So I'm going to move 4 to the left. So I'm going to pick up right where I left off. And now I'll show you what my board looks like after 3 moves. You'll see that I started at 0, moved to 2, and then I rolled a plus 6, so I moved 6 to the right, and then I rolled a minus 4, so I moved back 4 to the left. Okay. Now the next step of this is to write a math problem to match it. So since I started at 0, I don't have to worry about that. So, but my first move was plus 2, so I'm going to move 2 to the right. So I'm going to say 2. And then I moved 1, 2, 4, 6. Okay, so I moved 6 to the right, so that was plus 6. And then I moved. Remember, move is plus. And I moved 2, 4. I moved 4 to the left, so I'm going to plus minus 4. Show you that. And then I'll go ahead and solve this problem. So I came up with an answer of positive 4. Let me check that on the number line. I started at 0, moved to the right 2, moved to the right 6 more, and then moved to the left 4. And I ended up at positive 4. So my answers match. So I did it. Okay, so now each game board contains 4 number lines. So we'll play this game 4 times. You'll roll the dice 3 times in each game. And then you'll come up with your math equation. And then you'll check it on your number line. So now to win this game, there's a couple of different ways to do it. You can look at who is farthest from 0. So who has the largest absolute value. Who is closest to 0, so who has the smallest absolute value. Or who has traveled the most distance. So that'll be the highest number, no matter if it's positive or negative. So even though I had a negative 4 here, I had 2 plus 6 plus 4, so my rolls equaled a distance of 12. So we'll look at adding the absolute value of all of those numbers together then. If I spin blue, it'll be closest to 0, green farthest, and black is the most distance. So now in this case, since I spun it and got a green, the person that's farthest from 0 would be the winner.